What's going on, baby? So what y'all about to see is our journey to try and find a pair of the UNC 6s. So as you guys know, the UNC 6s didn't release on sneakers for whatever reason. They released all of the pairs during the shock drop. So we're trying to hit the streets and put in that footwork so we can go find them.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
Seneca boy, that Seneca boy, you know where we going. You know what I'm talking about? You know where we going. Nike down. Like that. Nike down. Yeah. Nike down. Yeah. Let's get this money, man. I bet you, bro, I bet you there's already a line out there. It's 9 in the morning. I bet you there's a line. What you think?
From UNC anything, there's definitely a lot.
Man, but so many people may have hit on the shock drop on sneakers. They might have hit on one of the random raffles, and everybody was at home online this morning buying the UNC 6s from Finish Line, Dick's Sporting Goods, and Foot Locker. And then they went and picked up their reservation pairs. So let's see, man. Let's see, man.
Hey guys, there's not a line inside of the store, so we're scared. They might have took them all.
Man. No, brother.
They couldn't have took them all. It's only 9 o'clock in the morning.
Be going on.
That's a security guard.
Huh?
That's a security guard.
I know. Alright, look, we in the line, man, but I don't know if they releasing these joints. You know what I'm saying? Huh? I'm trying to say I'm scared. I'm scared, man. It ain't gonna be first come, first serve on the UNC 6s. So we about to see. Alright, cut it off. All bad, it's all bad. It's all bad. They said that they will be doing first come, first serve on the UNC 6s at my local Nike town, but they don't know when it's gonna be, which means he said sometime next week. Damn, cuz. Damn, G. I don't want to wait until next week and then play these games, bruh. Okay. All right. Next trap spot. Come on.
One eternity later.
So after we left there, we went up the street to another sneaker spot. There was like 15 chairs in the line, 5 people at the front of the line. Mind you, it's extra early in the morning. So we like, yeah, it's good, but I'm not standing in that line. You know what I'm talking about? It's a little too cold, it ain't worth it. We go home, we come back. When we come back, we find out that store didn't even get the 6s. So obviously everybody in the line had to clear their stuff out, go home. We go to another sneaker store. They like, we don't got them. You know what I'm talking about? We did the raffle already, it's gone, it's good. So Nike told me they're getting the shoes sometime this week, but by the time that they would get the shoes, I don't really have time to stand in the line. Oh, man, it was crazy. So we're past the UNC 6s. Unfortunately, we missed them joints. It is what it is. Sometimes you miss. But Nike, my consolation prize came in the mail. Hey, man, look at the first of all, this is a different box. It's a little different. Now, would you say you think these are, son?
I didn't say I think they are not.
Let's see.
Does he got some more donkeys?
You recognize that box? You recognize that box? What's in here? Some Air Maxes? It's Air Max month. Did you know that?
Yes, I know that.
Oh, okay.
Them are donkeys. see the bottom.
And we have another pair of the what? What are these? Look, they got the dang, look at, I took the first shoe out the box and they got the little tag that's supposed to be on the inside on the shoelace. Y'all see that? Hey, look, and this side is a little more raised than this side. That's interesting though. The little subtle differences that they have between the women's pairs, the men's pairs, and now this is my first time seeing the girl size pair in hand. So these are the youth Panda. Where's the sticker on this one? Hey man, I'm missing a sticker.
Your customer is missing a sticker.
Oh, yeah. Hey, these about to hit the streets right now. But I appreciate the dub on these, man, because they've been releasing some dunks, boy. They released the purple joints. Them is crazy. They released the midnight navy with the aged midsole. They released those joints. Them joints is crazy. And just this morning, they just released Nike wants to call it Team Red, but they look like the Maroon Pandas is what I want to call them. The Maroon Pandas released this morning. I ain't getting none of this. So, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate the love on the Pandas, man. You know what I'm saying? Nike saying, hey, bro, we see you. We see you out here taking L's, man. Let me tighten you up real quick. You know what I'm talking about? So Nike hit me with a little tighten me up. I appreciate that. But that's all I got for you guys, man. We unboxing Pandas. We about to list these, post these, and sell these. We missed on the UNC sixes, man. It was so unfortunate. And then I went, but I don't know how I took so many L's on them damn Adidas slides. I'm seeing some people say it's like your account, whether it's the little entry joint, the champion joint, you know what I'm saying, whatever the names are. But I ain't buying, hey, if I don't hit on confirm, I ain't buying nothing from the Adidas store, big fella. You know what I'm talking about? I ain't about to just go in there and buy nothing to get my points up. Y'all gonna have to bless me with something. You know what I'm talking about? So, yeah, that's that, man. We out. You got anything? You got anything for the people? And without further ado, we'll see you guys on the next episode, y'all.
I love money counters, but right now let's use our hands. I wanna know the vibe to count 100 with my mans. I wanna go inside, but I've been running up them bands. Looking up the Apollo, got me ducking Uncle Sam. Ain't no testimony if you never take that stand. Telling on your fam is what I'll never understand. Looking up the camera probably get you in the jam. Do as I say, not as I do, not who I was, but who I